Welcome! If you're looking to keep your Telegram group admins anonymous using the latest PC update, you're in the right place. Whether you manage a public community or just want to boost privacy, Telegram's Remain Anonymous feature lets admins operate behind the scenes, so regular members won't see who's running the show. Let's walk through the steps to enable this feature for any admin in your group. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Make sure you're signed in with the account that has admin rights in the group you want to adjust. Next, from your chat list, find and click on the group where you're an admin. Once inside the group chat, look to the top right corner and click on the three dots. This opens a drop-down menu. Select Manage Group from the options. Now, in the Group Management panel, find and click on Administrators. Here, you'll see a list of all current admins in your group. Click on the admin whose privacy you want to protect. This could be yourself or another admin. Once you've selected the admin, you'll see a set of permissions and options. Look for the toggle labeled Remain Anonymous. Click to enable it. When this is turned on, the admin's identity will be hidden from regular group members. Any messages or actions they perform as admin will appear under the group's name, not their personal profile. After enabling Remain Anonymous, don't forget to click Save to apply your changes. That's it. The selected admin is now anonymous in the group. Only other admins will know who they are. Everyone else will just see the group's name attached to admin actions. A quick note. If the admin has a custom title, Telegram may still show that title next to anonymous messages, which could reveal their identity if each admin uses a unique title. To maximize anonymity, consider removing custom titles before enabling this feature. And there you have it. Your group admin can now manage everything without revealing who they are. This is perfect for keeping the focus on your group's content and not on individuals behind the scenes. For more privacy tips and Telegram tricks, stay tuned.